Hi, welcome to a Thursday night rant. Yeah, there we go. So I do have some projects in the works I thought I'd show you guys, but I haven't done a whole lot. Yeah, hold on, let me flip you around. Okay, I have this cover, which I will be filming how I do it. I have the this kit. This is part of my cover. It's a Dollar Tree thing. It's like one of those metal wall removable sticker things. Here's part of the cover. I'm going to use this as the innards of the cover. And then my sweet mother gave me this, and that's going to be the inside of the journal cover. This is the outside of the journal cover. So that's going to be fun. And then let me take you to my messy area. Actually, it's kind of a little bit organized. This is more of a project I'm working on. I have these fabric tubes, and then I have these ones in progress, and these are the others in progress, and this is the purse. So I'm frustrating, but I am losing muscle in my right leg, and so I realized I need to start quilting, sewing more of what I want to do. So there is going to come a time where I won't be able to sew anymore, I think. So I'm going to take advantage as I can and make a lot of different book covers and stuff like that while I can still sew. And purses and quilts and all that good stuff. So I will show you guys some of that too. As for a health update, yeah, I don't know much. I did go to a heart doctor, had an appointment with a lung doctor. The heart doctor, I have tests when I get back. I am heading out of town for my daughter's graduation. Kind of crazy for me to think about that she's graduating and she's double majoring. I'm so proud of her. So that's exciting for us here that she's going to be doing all that. And then, so we're going out there. We'll be out there for quite a while, for at least 10 days. And, then, and then when I get back, I have an acupuncture, massage, adjustment appointment one day after the other. And then on the Wednesday, I got an appointment with one of my neurologists, muscular neuropathy doctors. And then on the Friday, I have an appointment with, I'm trying to think who that, I have testing for my heart. And then after that, I really don't have any other appointments until June. And June 11th is, they have one more test to do to determine whether it is ALS or what it is. So we'll find out in June, hopefully. But yeah, that's about where I'm at. I'm really excited to go out to California. We're going to go to downtown Disney and then go to a fabric store, which I absolutely love. I will try to get videos of that. At the very least, I'll do a haul video. I have a couple of videos that I have prepped that just need to be edited for, so I'll do one next week and one the following week. So I do have a couple videos up and going. Hopefully tomorrow I'll do a flip through of my mini album / junk journal. It's pictures of our trip, but layouts and stuff like that that I've done. I'll show you guys all that. So it should be fun. That should be interesting. I'm loving how it's turning out. The funny thing is when you have a brain freeze and you go, oh, and you look back on the videos and I'm like, wait a minute, I've never edited this video. And then you look more and go, oh, that's the book that I used for this. Yeah, that's about what it is. You're like, okay, because I was looking and looking and looking for this book that I started doing so I can use it as a journal, and I actually used it for the mini album junk journal thing. So it's kind of funny in my head. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.